Bonjour. Today we are looking at some irregular IR verbs. Most verbs that end in the letters IR are conjugated like a regular IR verb, meaning they go IS, IS, IT, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT on the end in the present tense. But there are a number, around 60, irregular IR verbs, and these can somewhat be put into groups. For example, there are verbs that end in IR that are just special, like sortir and dormir. There are verbs that end in RIR, like souffrir and couvrir, and LLIR is lumped with that too, like accueillir. There are verbs that end in ENIR, like tenir and venir. And then there are just some random ones that need to be learned, like avoir technically ends in the letters IR, but it is not a regular IR verb. What we're going to look at today are two unique forms of IR verbs, and the first group includes verbs like these: courir, to run; dormir, to sleep; partir, to leave; sentir, to feel, to smell, or to sense; servir, to serve; sortir, to go out or to leave; courir, dormir, partir, sentir, servir, sortir. These verbs, they aren't that outrageous when you look at their conjugations. Most of them follow a pattern of SST on the je, tu, il, elle, on singular side. Je cours, tu cours, il court. Je dors, tu dors, il dort. Je pars, tu pars, il part. Notice we don't hear those SSTs. Je sens, tu sens, il sent. Je sers, tu sers, elle sert. Je sors, tu sors, elle sort. And then for the plural side, nous, vous, il, elle, plural, you would basically take your stem up until IR and then add ONS, EZ, and ENT to the end. So courir, I'll use that R. Dormir, I'll use that M. Partir, the T, etc. Nous courons, vous courez, il court. Nous dormons, vous dormez, elles dorment. Nous partons, vous partez, elles partent. Nous sentons, vous sentez, ils sentent. Nous servons, vous servez, elles servent. Nous sortons, vous sortez, elles sortent. There is also a group of irregular IR verbs that are conjugated kind of like an ER verb. These are the RIR ones I mentioned earlier. Couvrir means to cover. Ouvrir means to open. Offrir means to offer. Souffrir means to suffer. And these are really easy to conjugate. You drop the IR and you treat it like an ER verb. Je couvre, tu couvres, elle couvre. Nous couvrons, vous couvrez, il couvre. J'ouvre, tu ouvres, elle ouvre. Nous ouvrons, vous ouvrez, ils ouvrent. J'offre, tu offres, elle offre. Nous offrons, vous offrez, ils offrent. Je souffre, tu souffres, elle souffre. Nous souffrons, vous souffrez, ils souffrent. So those are irregular IR verbs. There are more, like venir, tenir, and even avoir, but those are just a few to get us started.